Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 3rd of February. I'm James Spann. What a beautiful spring-like day today, but stormy weather just around the corner. The best chance of active storms Wednesday and Wednesday night. We'll take a look at that situation as we go. Upper air look, it's a high amplitude pattern. Got a big trough in the western states, cold, snowy, unsettled. A ridge in the east where it's more like spring. And what a beautiful day. There's the visible satellite view. Nothing but sunshine for most of the state. A few high clouds over the Tennessee Valley and West Alabama, but clouds will increase tonight. And yes, indeed, for most places, the warmest day so far in 2020 with low 70s. Birmingham at 72. But around the nation, very cold in the western states where we have winter storm warnings in effect for much of Wyoming, Utah, parts of Colorado, Idaho. We've got winter storm watches in effect for parts of West Texas and Oklahoma. But around here, things are quiet. We do note a small part of North Georgia going under a flash flood watch for the midweek rain event. No severe weather expected through tonight. We've got a risk of storms, not severe, west of the state. Tomorrow, a marginal risk, a low-end marginal risk for places like Memphis, Greenville, Mississippi, Shreveport, Louisiana. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, got the standard slight risk, level 2 out of 5, for the southern third of the state, south of the line from near Grove Hill to Fort Deposit to Troy to Abbeville, and a marginal risk, a low-end marginal risk as far north as Cullman. We'll talk more about this in a moment. Then on day 4, which is Thursday, we've got a risk of severe storms east of the state, the southeastern tip of Alabama included in that. This is the rain for the next 7 days. Pretty wet for the east in this pattern. For Alabama, rain amounts will likely be between 2 and 3 inches between now and Monday morning of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 3. Big cold trough in the west, warm ridge in the east. And tomorrow should be a cloudy day, a mild day. Again, we'll be up there close to 70. And there could be a few showers, but I wouldn't call it a rainy day. This is the high-res NAM at 3 o'clock, and there's really not much out there. So mostly cloudy, very mild, a bit breezy, and maybe a few showers, but the decent chunk of the day should be dry. So Wednesday, this is the active day. We've got a surface low about 1,000 millibars that's near Tupelo. And, of course, that puts us in the warm sector. Snow, by the way, likely for places like St. Louis and Chicago with this thing. This is the high-res NAM Wednesday evening at 6 o'clock. And we note a cluster of storms down across the Florida Panhandle. We'll see if that can interfere with the instability process. This is the surface-based CAPE values Wednesday evening at 6 o'clock. And they're on up there. They're between 500 and 1,000 joules, this verifies, for parts of central and north Alabama. That's certainly sufficient for severe weather in the cool season here. This is the storm relative helicity values. The higher helicity values are kind of lagging behind the instability, so it's a little out of phase. But we do note that the NAM is putting down some elevated STP values, significant tornado parameter values, over parts of central Alabama. But let me caution you, the high-res NAM has had a history of producing elevated STP values with recent events that really didn't verify. So we'll keep an eye on things, but no doubt we'll have rain and storms Wednesday and Wednesday night. There could be a few strong to severe storms, mainly noon until midnight. And the main threat will be from some small hail, gusty winds. And again, an isolated tornado certainly can't be ruled out. But for now, the better chance, the better parameters falling together over the southern half of the state. But this could change as we get closer to Wednesday. Thursday, the weather noticeably cooler, will be in the 50s all day, and there's a chance the rain continues behind the front. Friday, looking dry, maybe the sun peeking out at times, a mixture of clouds and sunshine with a high in the middle 50s. But then Saturday, the next wave comes along, and that could squeeze out some light rain at times. Not a big rain event, but kind of a cool, cloudy day with some light rain at times. High should be in the 50s. And then Sunday looks pretty good. Sunday should be sunny, and we go back in the middle 60s. And Monday of next week, a week from today, big upper low feature over Southern California. Zonal flow here, and the next wave approaching, the next short wave, and looks like that day would be dry. We'll go to Wednesday of next week, and that could be another day with a chance of stronger storms. We don't know that yet. This is 9 days out, but this is suggesting a surface low that's south of Chicago with a chance of showers and storms. Then the following day, Thursday, the 13th of February, same idea, big cold trough in the west. And for us, maybe some lingering morning showers if this verifies, but look at all the snow in the western states. Rain for Birmingham, very wet pattern here. Rain for the next 15 days, around 4 inches. That's the mean. Some of the members are over 5 inches. Temperatures, we cool back in the 50s for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but we go right back in the 60s next week. And this is the latest CPC outlook. This is for the 11th through the 17th of February. And you can see very cold in the west, mild here in the southeastern states. Again, for us, we're seeing no sign of any major intrusion of bitterly cold Arctic air for the next 7 to 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.